This is one exercise that I believe we all need to do every day, throughout the day, for our hips, our low back, to help the energy that's flowing through our bodies. You want one hand on a support. It could be the back of the chair, it could be a doorway, it could be your kitchen counter or dresser, so you have a nice solid support. Your supporting knee is soft. The leg that you're swinging is the one closest to your support. Always go where it's comfortable for you. The leg just swings loosely, not dipping your body, letting it swing, and if you want, looking back, looking front, let it go where it wants to go. Remember to keep breathing and smiling. And then you would turn that all the way around so that you can swing the opposite leg, front and back. Ease into that. And come back. When I'm talking, I can't count. So when you're doing this exercise, be sure to do the same number on both sides.